Have you owned your Omoda 7 for weeks and still missed some of its most useful features? From hidden settings to simple tricks that can improve comfort, efficiency, and everyday driving, today's video might completely change the way you use your SUV. Welcome back to Supercar, the channel where we uncover the features, tips, and real-world truths car owners need to know. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're looking at the Omoda 7 and revealing 10 tips every owner should know, whether you've just taken delivery or already put some miles on it. These tips will help you get more out of your SUV every single day. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use the right driving mode. One of the easiest ways to improve your Omoda 7 experience is by using the correct driving mode. The Omoda 7 offers modes like Eco, Normal Sport, and on some versions, Snow. These aren't just fancy names. They noticeably change throttle response, power delivery, and gearbox behavior. Eco mode helps maximize fuel economy in daily traffic. Sport mode sharpens acceleration and makes the car feel more responsive, while Snow mode provides smoother power delivery on slippery roads. Spend a little time learning each mode, and you'll quickly notice the difference in everyday driving. Tip 2. Make the most of the panoramic sunroof. The panoramic sunroof is one of the Omoda 7's standout features, but many owners barely use it. Thanks to its tinted UV protective glass, you can open the sunshade and enjoy a brighter cabin without excessive heat. On cooler days, opening the roof helps ventilate the interior naturally and creates a more open, premium feel. Whether you're enjoying a sunset drive or a long road trip, the panoramic roof can completely transform the atmosphere inside the cabin. Just remember to close it when leaving the vehicle under strong sunlight for long periods. Tip 3. Look after your turbo engine. This simple habit can help protect your engine for years. The Omoda 7's 1.6-liter turbocharged engine performs best when treated properly. Avoid hard acceleration immediately after startup, especially in cold weather. Give the engine a short moment to warm up and drive gently during the first few minutes. After a long motorway run or spirited drive, let the engine idle briefly before switching it off. This helps the turbo cool down properly and can reduce long-term wear. It's a small habit that can make a big difference over time. 4. Customize the infotainment system. One of the best things about the Omoda 7 is its technology. So don't settle for the factory settings. Take a few minutes to customize the infotainment screen. Arrange your favorite shortcuts, adjust the display settings, and connect Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If multiple people drive the car, set up separate user profiles so everyone can save their preferred settings. A little personalization now makes every drive easier and more enjoyable later. Tip 5. Learn your safety features. The Omoda 7 comes packed with advanced safety technology, but understanding how it works is just as important as having it. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are designed to help you, not replace you. Spend time learning how each system behaves in real driving situations and understand its limits. The better you know these features, the more confidently and safely you'll be able to use them every day. Tip 6. Check your tire pressure regularly. Your tires are the only thing connecting your Omoda 7 to the road, so don't ignore them. The TPMS warning system is helpful, but it's better to catch pressure issues before the warning light appears. Check your tire pressure regularly and follow the recommended values shown on the driver's door sticker. Proper tire pressure improves handling, fuel economy, and tire life. And don't forget to check the spare tire too. You'll be glad you did when you need it. Tip 7. Drive smoother, save more fuel. Want better fuel economy without spending a penny? Start driving more smoothly. Instead of accelerating hard and braking late, look ahead and anticipate traffic. Ease off the throttle earlier, let the car coast when possible, and avoid unnecessary heavy braking. These simple habits reduce fuel consumption, lower brake wear, and make every drive feel more relaxed. Over time, the savings can be surprisingly noticeable. Tip 8. Protect the interior from day one. Keeping the Omoda 7's cabin looking new is much easier than fixing wear later. Consider using quality floor mats to protect against dirt, moisture, and spills. Regularly clean interior surfaces and use UV protection products to help prevent fading in hot weather. If your model has leather or leatherette seats, occasional conditioning will help keep them looking their best. A clean, well-maintained interior not only improves everyday comfort but also helps preserve the vehicle's resale value. Tip 9. Never skip scheduled maintenance. Want your Omoda 7 to stay reliable for years? Follow the maintenance schedule without shortcuts. Regular oil changes, filter replacements, fluid checks, and routine inspections are essential for keeping the turbocharged engine and other systems running smoothly. If you drive in heavy traffic, cold weather, or demanding conditions, servicing on time becomes even more important. Don't wait for warning lights to appear. Staying ahead of maintenance is always cheaper than dealing with unexpected repairs later. Tip 10. Use the Omoda app to its full potential. One feature many owners overlook is the Omoda smartphone app, and it's more useful than you might think. The app lets you monitor your vehicle remotely, check important information, receive service reminders, and stay updated on vehicle status from your phone. Depending on your market and specification, additional connected features may also be available. Spend a few minutes setting it up properly and exploring its functions. It's one of the easiest ways to make owning an Omoda 7 more convenient and connected every day. And there you have it. 10 tips that will make you a smarter, more confident Omoda 7 owner from this moment forward. Whether it's protecting your engine, mastering your tech features, or simply building better driving habits, every single one of these tips will add up to a better, longer, more enjoyable ownership experience. If you found this video valuable, do us a massive favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps more Omoda 7 owners find this content. And if you haven't subscribed to Supercar yet, now is absolutely the time. We cover everything from ownership, guides and tech deep dives to full car reviews and road tests, and we are just getting started. Drop a comment below and tell us which of these tips surprised you the most. We read every single one. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.